Hi again, everyone, and welcome to a very normal week of statistics because here we're moving into Chapter 5 to talk about the normal distribution. So Section 5.1 is introducing that idea in terms of things like the properties, what a density function actually is, and then certain things we can look at with values and areas and what it means to be standardly normal. While in 5.2, we're going to extend these ideas a little bit further to talk more about probabilities. So there we're going to be looking at more general kinds of normal behavior. It's weird to say that. We're going to talk about why that's kind of odd later, but we're going to see how you can actually compute some probabilities for things a bit more general than what we're seeing in 5.1, where I will say that these sections here, in particular 5.1, are among the most important in this entire book, in this entire class. I would say 5.1 and 5.4 are both in the top 3 or 4 most important sections we get all semester. So really take your time here and make sure you understand the basics of the structures that we have. Where for this week, we have, again, a pretty normal set of things. We've got a worksheet to help you get prepared for how these things work, along with some homework deadlines in MyLab next Wednesday. You've got a challenge problem hiding in there somewhere. I'm not going to write it up this time because it's extra credit, but the real big change we have here is that instead of a pre-assessment for next week, I have a thing called the mid-semester feedback survey for you guys. It's meant to give you a chance to let me know how things are going here. It's to let me know if there are things that I should improve on, I should change, I should do for future classes to make sure that this is the best version of statistics I can make it. It's going to have some drops associated with it if enough people get it done. You can check all that stuff later. I'll make announcements about it as we're seeing that, but just know that that's due next Friday. We don't have a pre-assessment for next week. I want you to focus on that instead. It's not directly graded, but like I said, you can help yourself by giving me some good feedback on there. Anyway, let's get in here and start looking at some normal things.